how to use Google Nano Banana for a free, complete beginner tutorial. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can use Google Nano Banana for free. So for that, we would simply go to Play Store. Here we will download Gemini app. So I will search for Gemini. Here you guys can see Google Gemini, so simply install that. I have already installed it. Once you install that, after that, click on open. Once you guys open it, the interface will look like that. So how we can use So the question is how we can use Google Nano Banana. So in Google Gemini app, you guys can see on top 2.5, also on downside, you guys can see Ask Gemini, also image with banana icon. So that was the Google Nano Banana. So for using Google Nano Banana, I will simply click on image with banana icon. Here I will simply write any type of prompt for image generation. So let's write something. After writing prompt, click on that icon. Now you need to wait for 10 seconds. Or it can be more faster. After some seconds, Google Nano Banana generated perfect image for us. That's how you guys can use it for free in your Android or any mobile. Thanks for watching.